Buddy, down by the banks of the hay.
Oh no!
Here you are. Good cat, good cat.
Oh, wow!
A mysterious gift box. Wow, that's an eel.
A few moments later.
Huh?
Oh no! I will try again.
Wow!
A big lobster. Okay, let's cook my dinner. Today's menu is fried lobster and cheese balls. First, we need to prepare shrimp. Remove the shrimp head. We will boil the shrimp briefly. Pour water into the pot. Put the shrimp in there and wait until it boils. the shrimp shell. Cut shrimp into small pieces. Next, we will prepare the pasta. Pour the pasta into a pot with water. Add some salt to it. When the water boils, we take the pasta out into a bowl. Next step, we will make the pasta chop sauce. Heat a pan with butter. Pour flour into it. Add milk and cheese. Stir the mixture until completely melted. Take it out. Add the sauce to the pasta. Add sliced shrimp meat to it. Mix it. Don't forget to add breadcrumbs. We make cheese balls from the mixture. We have 5 cheese balls. Crack eggs into the tray. Beating eggs. Take the breadcrumbs from the cupboard and pour them into another tray. Roll the cheese balls in egg and breadcrumbs one at a time. Now let's fry them. Pour oil into the pan. Drop the pellets into the oil pan one by one. Fry until golden brown. Then remove to a plate. Let's try a piece.
So delicious!
La 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 la. Ooh, what's this? Wow!
Another one.
Huh?
A rake? I will use it to rake clams. Aha! Now we will make clam soup. First, we need to wash the clams. We use a brush to remove dirt from the clams. After washing, we put the clams on a tray. Now we will boil the clams. Next, we take out the clam meat and cut it into small pieces. Next step, we will prepare Prepare the necessary ingredients. Finely chop the celery. Slice the carrots. Take the bacon out of the refrigerator and chop it finely. Add bacon to pan. We stir the bacon until it is firm. Next, we pour onions, carrots, and celery into the pan. Stir well and then pour the flour into the pan. Pour chicken broth into the pan. Pour the soup into another pot and cook over low heat. Add bacon and clams to it. Bay leaves, dried basil, pepper sauce, salt, black pepper. Stir well. Lower the heat and simmer for a while. During that time, we will make cakes. Brush egg yolk around cake dough. Bake for 20 minutes. Now take out the soup. We cut the bread and remove the core inside. Then add the soup to make the cake filling. Done! Let's try a piece.
Delicious.